Hi, I'm Alia. So today we are going to talk about the word Lahko in Slovenian and all the ways you can use it, or at least most of the ways. So the first would be Lahko noč. Lahko noč, which means good night. Even though Lahko doesn't translate to good, it just means that you should have a light night, so you don't have nightmares or something going on. So that is why we call it Lahko noč. The next thing you can use lahko for is if you express something is light, so it's not heavy. You can say Torba je lahka. So the bag is light. Torba, the bag, je is lahka, light. Torba je lahka. Next you can give a request. So ali mi lahko pomagaš? Can you help me? So here lahko translates to can. Ali mi lahko pomagaš? Pomagaš, to help. Okay? And the fourth way is test je bil lahek. So here you are saying the exam was easy. So before torba je lahka, it means the bag is light. Now you are saying the test was easy. So, but again you use the word lahko. Okay? So if you are saying something was very easy to do or something like that. So one more time, test je bil lahek. Okay? And then with lahko, you can also say some about the ability you have. So, jaz lahko vozim avto. Jaz, I, lahko vozim, can drive, avto, a car. Okay, so now you are saying what you can do with using the word lahko. Again, another way you can say is offer. To offer something, so če želiš, te lahko peljem v šolo. So if you wish, če želiš, te lahko peljem, I can drive you to school, v šolo. And the last one we're gonna discuss today is you can say lahko si ponosen. Lahko si ponosen. You can be proud. Okay, so this is just a very quick video. I hope it helps you to understand all the uses for the word lahko. And yeah, I'll see you next time. And if you have any requests, please write them down in the comment section below. Ciao!